Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today we are doing my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. So yeah, here we go. I did peek inside, but I really don't remember what was inside besides there was like, I think a black eyeliner and maybe a little eyeshadow palette. But yeah, since I already forgot, it's still gonna be a surprise. I will have all the details of this subscription in my description box below. But this is what it looked like inside, and it really did just look like this. I pretty much just peeked inside, like touched everything once and then put it back. So on this little thing, it's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and it's like a little booklet, and it tells you a little bit about each product. It tells you what you got and the value of it, and a little bit, you know, more in detail about each product. I did not read this, so I'll just leave that to last, kind of. So the first thing I am pulling out is this, I do not know how to pronounce it, but it's a coloring pencil, it's a lip coloring pencil, so I guess lip liners. So that's what it looks like closer up. And it says Lust and Media on the side. See if I can get a good angle. So this brand is called Alamasca. I think that's how you pronounce it. And that it is cruelty free. I just looked them up. Here is the colors of them. And I like both of them. I'm gonna swatch them on the back of my hand real quick. Ooh, that was a little rough. So they're very creamy. I broke one. So don't do that. I thought one was redder than that, but it comes off kind of, that's the one I broke, so it might chip off. Let's see. It does seem pretty creamy. I just don't like lip pencils. I would rather have like retractable kind, just because I find them very, very messy, at least for me. But they are nice colors that I see myself using, so I'm happy with that. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box, oops, and I just smudged it with a lip liner, is the Tokyo Milk lip gloss. I believe Tokyo Milk's cruelty free. I'm gonna go check that real quick. Okay, so I just looked up. Tokyo Milk is not cruelty free yet, but they're in the process of it, like applying to be Leaping Bunny certified, but as of right now, they're not cruelty free. That's why it's taking longer for them to be certified. I don't really quite understand that, but yeah. So they're not cruelty free yet, so I don't want to keep this. What it says on the little packet here is that the Tokyo Milk lip gloss value of $21. If you're ever wondered if you could find a lip gloss that does it all, this Tokyo Milk formula gives your lips a shiny finish with a hint of shimmer without feeling tacky. You still get a dewy shine and a wash of pink color, but without risk of getting hair stuck on your lips every time you turn your head. See, you really can have it all. Tip, wear it alone for a sheer pink wash of color and tons of shine, or layer it over a bright lipstick for a bold look. So that's neat to know. I guess I'll just save this for maybe my sister's birthday present or something. Whatever comes around the corner next for one of my relatives, because I want to give away cruelty-free stuff on my channel, but I don't mind giving this away to like either friends or family. The next thing I have is the Wonder Beauty Wonderless Seascape eyeshadow palette. I forgot to tell y'all about these Alamask lip liners more in detail. So it says on here, Alamask Lip Coloring Pencil Duo in Lust and Media. Value at $21 each because there's nothing worse than a lipstick that feathers, bleeds, and smudges. It's time you incorporate a lip pencil to your routine. Alamask Super Pigmented Lip Pencil shades Lust, a coral pink, a media, a cranberry red. Lock your lipstick in place all day and tons of dimension. Tip: before applying lipstick, line your lips with the pencil and fill them in to lock color into place all day. You can even overline for fuller looking lips. For an ombre effect, apply lip liner over a lipstick in a lighter shade. Just trace the outside of your lips and blot. So $21 a piece. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm really happy with the lip pencils, or the lip pencils. So back to this Wonder Beauty palette. It is cruelty free. I just looked it up, and here is what it looks like on the inside. And the shade that really sticks out to me is the sea salt color, that pink color. I guess I can do swatches for you. So the first color I'm going to go in with is the Champagne Harbor color. And wow, that came off good. Really easy. The second one I'm doing is going to be Sea Salt. The one that stuck out to me the most. That's pretty. Now I'm going to do a Golden Reef. Really pretty. This is Sand Dollar, which is a matte shade in the palette. That's going to be a good transition color. This is an interesting one too. It's called Sea Foam. Ooh, really pretty. And then the last one is called Coastal. Ooh, that's a really dark blue. Very pretty. More about that palette. It says Wonder Beauty Wonderless Seascape Eyeshadow Palette. Value at $25. This Wonder Beauty 6-pan eyeshadow palette can transport you to the tropics for a lot less than a plane ticket. Loaded with a mix of foil, shimmer, satin, and matte finishes in shades of Seafoam Deep Blue, Sandy Brown, Sea Salt Pink, and Warm Golds. These pigmented shadows infused with skin-loving ingredients can create endless looks on and off the beach. Tip: for a sunny golden look, dust Champagne Harbor along your brow bone. Use your fingers to pat Golden Reef into your lid and finish by deepening Sand Dollar into the crease. Take your look to the next level. Smudge Sea Foam or Coastal along the lower lash line. So yay, I got another eyeshadow palette to play with. The next thing I have in the box is called Face Hero, a powerful and protective face oil. And it is cruelty free because it has the cruelty free bunny on it. And let's see more about it. On here it says Go To Face Hero, value at $34. This multitasking, good for you cocktail of natural ingredients comes to the rescue by hydrating perched skin, balancing dull complexions, and smoothing inflammation. It also helps combat fine lines, dark spots, and early signs of aging, and no worries about residue. There's looking at you oily and combination complexes. Your skin will soak it up quickly. Tip: massage 5 drops into clean skin after your daily serum and before moisturizer, or mix a few drops into a dollop of your favorite moisturizer and massage into your skin for all day hydration. So I already used a face oil today, but this one sounds awesome to play with, and I'm glad that it's cruelty free. So after I use up my Shea Moisture one, I might go to this one. Actually, I already have a backup face moisturizer or a face oil right now, so I need to go in and change that on my profile, just because I'm good right now on face oils. But I do love face oils, and I'm glad that they sent this to me. I love face oils, so I will put this in a future giveaway of mine, because it is a nice value. And if you've never wanted to branch out and try face oil, if you win my giveaway, then you can try it. By the way, if you didn't already know, I do monthly giveaways on my channel, so just stay tuned for that one to be in a future giveaway. I don't know if it's going to be this next one, but I do monthly giveaways. So there's one currently up right now. All you have to do is look at my videos and see what the most recent giveaway video is and enter up. I just looked up this product to see what it was actually called, and it's called El Maquillage. I think that's how they said it. But I did look it up, and it is cruelty free, and this is a mascara. So let's read up on it a little bit. So El Maquillage. I don't know. It sounds really bougie, but I can't really say it. Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. Value at $25. When you can't be bothered to fumble with falsies, reach for a mascara that plumps your natural lashes, minimize the messy glue, the football-shaped silicone bristles, grips, and coats even the tiniest of lashes, lifting, curling, and lengthening all at once. Tip: starting at the base of your lashes, wiggle the wand in a upward motion from root to tip for extra length and volume. Want even more drama? ? Apply as many coats as you want without fear of clumping. Plus, it's lightweight, so it won't weigh your lashes down. So that's neat. So let's take the mascara out. That is what it looks like out of the box. I don't really need to open this mascara, but I'm going to. And I need to fix that on my thing too, because I don't really need mascara right now. But that's what the one looks like. And I will swatch it, I guess. I don't know how you swatch a mascara, but oh, that seems dry. Huh, we can brush my arm hairs. Make them more visible for you. That's weird. Okay, that's kind of freaky and nasty looking. Alright, so that is the difference with mascara and without, which I will say I don't have as many lashes on this eye anyways, but yeah. So I think it's just an okay mascara, to be honest. I don't think it's fantastic in my opinion, so yeah. I'll probably use it for a month and get rid of it afterwards. But yeah, so the stick out products to me was definitely the eyeshadow palette and the lip liners, just because I can never get too many eyeshadow palettes with colors. And I was needing a very pretty spring lip liners I was actually talking about that in past videos, so I'm glad to receive these also. But as far as the facial oil, I just don't need any right now, but I love that they sent it to me in the box. I just need to change it on my profile so they know not to send me anymore, just because I already have a back stock right now. And as far as the mascara, I don't really like it, but I like that it was cruelty free. So I'm not mad at it, but I don't really like it so far. But who knows? Who knows? And this, I don't like that, the Tokyo Milk lip gloss. I don't like that it's not cruelty free, and I wish that they had that as an option on the Ipsy website. That way I could click it and they don't have to send me stuff that's not cruelty free, because this is just like a pass, because it's not cruelty free. But as far as the lip gloss goes, it's nothing that I'm like, oh yay about, but lip gloss. I don't have a really clear lip gloss right now, or a pale pink lip gloss right now, so it would have been okay if it was cruelty free. Alright, so I totaled the price of all the items and it equaled up to $147. So I'm pretty happy with that, even though I only liked, or I'm just happy about the lip pencils and the eyeshadow palette, me for myself. But I'm happy with the box. I think that's a great value. You only pay $25 a month for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I'm happy with it. I'm going to continue doing this probably for the next 6 months, and then I will decide if I want to do it another 6 months, or if I want to switch to a different subscription service. Yeah, you'll be seeing the lip liners and the eyeshadow palette in future videos of mine, and you will see that face oil in a future giveaway of mine. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like, a thumbs up. It's a little button down below. I hope to get at least 50 thumbs up within the first month of this uploaded. That way I know that you like me doing these Ipsy unboxings, because if you don't, I probably will change my mind and replace this with something else if you don't really like this kind of content for me. So let me know if you like this video by giving me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to comment down below to let me know that you're here, and subscribe if you hadn't already. I plan on doing these once a month, and I do a lot of videos on my channel. I upload 3 times a week, and maybe soon 4 times a week. Ooh. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye.